I just fucking hate this world and these human worms feasting on its carcass. It's time for me to kill. And it's time for me to die.
It doesn't